They say weight loss needs the gym. That's a lie. You don't need fancy machines. You just need 6 by 6 feet of space and the will to burn fat. In today's video, we're breaking the myth. These home exercises can torch calories, melt belly fat, and sculpt your body, all without equipment. Let's begin with the beast of fat loss jumping jacks. Start your timer. 40 seconds of full body cardio. Wakes up your muscles and gets your heart racing. No more sleepy body, just full on fat burn. Next, get ready for squats. Simple, but deadly effective. 15 to 20 reps. Feel your thighs, hips, and glutes fire up. Want to turn it up? Try jump squats. Warning, you'll feel the burn in round 2. Now, hit the mat for mountain climbers. This isn't just cardio, it's core, shoulders and legs all in one go. 30 seconds, go fast. The faster you go, the more you sweat, the more you shred. Push-ups are next. Think they're only forearms? Think again. Your chest, shoulders, triceps, and core all get worked. Can't do full push-ups. Start on your knees. Progress is what counts. Now the killer combo high knees. Drive those knees to your chest, pump your arms, and don't stop till the timer beeps. You'll feel your belly fat surrender and hold a plank. The ultimate core killer. 30 to 60 seconds. Tighten your abs, squeeze your glutes, and don't let your hips sag. Want to upgrade? Try plank jacks. Repeat all these exercises for 2 to 3 rounds 4 times a week. That's it. No gym. No excuses. If you stay consistent, combine it with smart eating and quality sleep, the fat has no choice, it must go. Thousands have transformed using Bodyweight alone. Will you be next?